that matter? Oh no, how should I start? From the heart. I guess it was a long time ago, and none of you really know the ways I grew up in the backwoods, so deep in the country you never would understand or even try to see. Let's keep it between you and me. There's one thing I can share in this country love song. You might think it's right, or you might think it's wrong. Either way, here's a pretty good lie for you. I really hope that our love grows strong. Back to the country love song, hoping that it doesn't sound wrong. Now because when I went to school, things were the way they were. Makes the story come out the way it is. What happened to me in school? You really don't need to know. I'm gonna tell you or share a story like this. Really doesn't matter the grades that I got. not. And it really doesn't matter how I aced sports or if I was hot. So here is how I went wrong in those school years. That sound is just a joke about walking into the schoolrooms or the classrooms feeling all fucked up or feeling full of unsettled pain and then going, uh-oh, whoops, I just fell in love. There's all kinds of patterns and languages for the feelings of love. One of them that I don't really like is like, whoops, my knees got weak, but it really should be universal, like my heart felt sore. Something like that, and it really don't matter, but it's a story that I don't feel like I can ignore. The funny thing is when I think I thought, or the funny thing is when I thought I was in love. It was a funny feeling, kinda weak, really more off. So this sound right here is kinda like I felt weak. So back to the story. See, how I feel and how I felt, I'm not even able to play that right. So back to the story about feeling or falling in love, going into the school was that story. But what I'm gonna do, and what I'm gonna do is share the story of how I felt like I wasn't good as a guitar player, you know. This sound right here is like the sound, fake guitar blues sound. Uh-oh, I'm a guitar player and I'm not very good. And to add to that are some feelings that don't feel so well. They go like this. I'm a guitar player and I don't play well. I really like to sing and I feel like my feelings when I sing don't feel well. See how I didn't use the word hell? Like I thought I wasn't a guitar player, but I felt like singing, and my feelings about singing were more deeper in it. So back to feelings. Not so much the love feeling, but more the I'm not a very good guitar player or singer. That's the one that really hurt. Well, I feel like singing, but I suck. So, people of surrounding areas and people of the school area, how do you expect me to be a country boy? When I grew up, oh shit, I know I'm gonna get in trouble for this one. Recording there, and don't let anyone listen to this. This is very simple. Oh shit. How do you expect me to sing and play guitar like a country boy? Downside, none of y'all really know. Well, not very many. Where, how, in deep. This is a joke. Oh no. None of you really know how far or deep I really grew up in the country. Right now I'm on my knees as I weep, Lord. Oh, here we go. So the funny thing about growing up so deep in the country is it doesn't feel right now so good inside. And maybe there's some things that I need to share. I probably think I thought there, See, they never taught me how to share that right. But anyway, here's some feelings about growing up as a country boy, so deep in the woods that my stomach feels sick when I try to share it. Well, I guess anything is worth a try. But on sharing these feelings, I don't feel like sharing, and I don't want to ask or question why. It feels like I just might get sick and cry, get back down on my knees, and pray for everything and die. I grew up. For the entertainer aspect, we probably wouldn't be allowed to talk when we were entertaining. And we wouldn't be able to talk when we were sharing. So thanks for caring. Back to the country love song. Okay, back to the story of feeling off in school because I really wasn't very good guitar player or singer. Oh no. Here we go. Oh Lord, of the feeling of why I hate to explain myself. Here we go. Where I feel I was wrong back then. Was I really didn't sing or play much country. And if I'd made it easier, I sure would have played country music and cover music too. Oh, I sure wish I would have sang cover music and country too.